Hi friend! Luto tayo ng sotanghon soup right now. Yan, dami ng chicken natin. So, gisa natin yung chicken, sibuyas, bawang. Yan, yung chicken. Tapos, pag nagisa na natin yan, dito sa ating, yan, kaldero. Pagka lumambot na yung chicken, lagay natin yung, binili lang natin carrots eh. And then yung pansabaw natin is atsuete. And this is the sotanghon. So pag naluto na yung chicken at saka yung carrots natin, saka natin latagay yung sotanghon natin. Yan. So that will be our soup for the day. Tsaka meal na rin kasi nagno-no rice nga tayo to keep our sugar normal. And pagluto na, tapos na, we'll place cebollino. Yan, sana magustuhan ni Popsy ang ating meal for the day. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.